In front of me is Chuwi HiPad Max, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to Access Privacy. Following that, click on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's options that you wish to manage. In my case, microphone. Now click on one of your apps. I will go with Chrome and click on one of those options to set up the best one for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I click and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to my device's microphone if I'm using this browser. But you can always click on any feature and instead look for an app that you wish to manage. After tapping on it, instead of selecting one of those options, click on See All Permissions located at the bottom and manage all of them only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!